Welcome to our channel English Avenue. So today we have school conversation between two students, Emma and Alex, discussing their group project for history class in more detail, with more topics and interactions added. Emma: Hey Alex, do you have a minute to talk about our history project? Alex: Sure, Emma. What's up? Emma: I've been thinking about our topic on the Industrial Revolution. I found some really interesting articles and videos online. Have you had a chance to look into it yet? Alex: Yeah, I did some research yesterday. There's so much information out there. It's a bit overwhelming. What did you find? Emma: I found this documentary that explains the impact of the steam engine. It's fascinating how it changed everything from transportation to manufacturing. Alex: That sounds interesting. I read about the working conditions in factories during that time. It was pretty rough for the workers, especially for children. Emma: I saw that too. Maybe we can divide the work. You could focus on the technological advancements, like the steam engine, and I can cover the social impact, such as working conditions. Alex: That sounds like a good plan. We should also include some visuals in our presentation. Maybe some pictures or charts to make it more engaging. Emma: Definitely. I can create a timeline of the key events. What do you think about making a short video as well? We could use clips from the documentary and add our own commentary. Alex: I love that idea. I'm pretty good with video editing, so I can handle that part. Do you have any ideas for our introduction? Emma: How about we start with a question to grab everyone's attention? Something like, how did a simple invention like the steam engine revolutionize the world? Alex: That's a great hook. It'll definitely make people curious. We should also have a strong conclusion. Maybe we can end with a discussion on how the Industrial Revolution still affects us today. Emma: Agreed. I think we're on the right track. Do you want to meet up this weekend to put everything together? Alex: Sure, I'm free on Saturday afternoon. We can meet at the library. Does that work for you? Emma: Yes, that's perfect. I'll bring my laptop and notes. Let's aim to finalize our presentation outline first and then work on the video. Alex: Sounds good. I'll bring my research and we can start organizing our points. Thanks for coordinating this, Emma. Emma: No problem, Alex. I think we'll do great. See you on Saturday. Alex: See you then. Saturday at the library. Emma: Hey Alex. I'm glad we could meet up. I've got all my notes and my laptop. Where should we start? Alex: Hi Emma. Let's start by outlining our presentation. We can decide on the main points we want to cover and then assign sections to each of us. Emma: Good idea. So, we've got the introduction, technological advancements, social impacts, and the conclusion. For the introduction, we already decided on the hook. What else should we include? Alex: I think we should briefly mention what the Industrial Revolution was and why it's important. Then we can transition into the technological advancements. Emma: Agreed. For the technological advancements, we'll focus on the steam engine and maybe a few other key inventions. I found some great images and diagrams we can use. Alex: Perfect. I'll start working on the script for that section. Now, for the social impacts, we should cover the working conditions, child labor, and maybe the changes in living standards. Emma: Yes, and I found some first-hand accounts from workers that we can include to make it more impactful. I'll handle that part. Do you have any thoughts on the conclusion? Alex, for the conclusion, we should summarize our main points and then discuss the long-term effects of the Industrial Revolution. Maybe we can talk about how it paved the way for modern technology and industry. Emma, that's a great idea. We should also mention any questions or thoughts we want the audience to take away. Something to make them think about the relevance today. Alex, absolutely. I think we have a solid plan. Let's start working on our individual sections and then we can review each other's work. Emma, sounds good. I'll get started on the social impacts section. Do you want to take a look at the images and diagrams I found? Alex, sure, let's see them. Wow, these are really good. They'll definitely help illustrate our points. Emma, thanks. I'm glad you like them. I'll start drafting my section, and then we can go over the video clips. Alex, great. I'll work on the technological advancements part. Let's check in with each other in about an hour. Emma, perfect. Let's get to work. After an hour of working. Alex, hey Emma, how's it going? I've got a rough draft of my section. Want to take a look? Emma, sure. I'm almost done with mine too. Here's what I have so far. Alex, this looks great. I like how you included the first-hand accounts. It really adds a personal touch. Emma, thanks. Your section on the steam engine is really detailed. I think it'll keep the audience engaged. Alex, awesome. Let's start putting everything together in our presentation file. We can adjust the flow as we go. Emma, agreed. Do you want to start with the video clips? I can help you select the best parts. Alex, yes, let's do that. I've already edited some clips. We just need to add our commentary and transitions. Emma, great. I'll help with the script for the commentary. We should make sure it aligns with our presentation points. Alex, absolutely. Let's work on that, and then we can finalize the slides. After working on the video and slides. Emma, I think we are almost done. Everything looks good. Do you want to run through the presentation once? Alex, yes, let's do a practice run. I'll start with the introduction. They practiced the presentation. Emma, that went really well. I think we are ready for the actual presentation. Alex, I agree. Great job, Emma. I'm confident we'll do great on Monday. Emma, thanks, Alex. You too. Let's give it our best shot. Alex, definitely. See you on Monday. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.